Hi, my name is Cheryl Spangler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Cardano Nami wallet. This will be used for you to either purchase Cardano, trade Cardano, or buy NFTs. So I am at namiwallet.io, N-A-M-I wallet.io. And if you've watched my other video on the Yoroi wallet, this is also a extension. This is a Chrome, Brave, or Edge, depending on which browser you're using. It is a wallet extension. And so this is similar if you've purchased anything on the Ethereum network to MetaMask. This is an extension that gets installed onto your browser. This is the first time I'm doing it. I'm recording so you can learn. You feel free to read all these, but basically I'm using Chrome. So I'm going to click Chrome. It's going to take me to the Chrome extension, and I'm going to say add to Chrome, add extension. Now it automatically adds it into the top right of my browser and eventually kind of pops into this little puzzle piece, which is where all the extensions on my browser reside. And if I scroll down, you can see that I have the various wallets, but basically this is the Nami wallet. So now it shows up. That's it for installation. Now we open it up. And of course, I've never had the Nami wallet. I'm about to use this to do a test NFT minting. So you may be using it to purchase my new NFT collection called wheelsupnft.com. But let's just get to it. I will create a new wallet. Of course, like most extensions, you have the option to create a new wallet and import an existing Nami wallet. Let's say you installed this on Brave, then it doesn't automatically open up on Google Chrome. If you have the Nami wallet on another browser, you would need to uninstall that extension, install the extension here on Google Chrome, and import the wallet. The wallet is the contents of ADA that you have or the NFTs that you're holding. Whether you install the Nami wallet on Google Chrome or on Brave doesn't really matter, but you can't have them both installed at the same time. Unless you could correct me on that if I'm wrong, but basically you would uninstall it and then you would import that wallet to this once you install it on the Google Chrome like I have it here. So we'll create a new wallet. Make sure no one's watching the screen. And then you actually want to put that seed phrase back into the computer. Once you've completed entering the seed phrase back in, you will press enter, create an account name. Let's just call it Wheels Up. How about that? And the password. Also, please make sure you write this stuff down. Don't just think you'll remember it and move on with your day. And once you've named it, you press enter, put in your password. Now you're sitting at your wallet extension. This is very much like the MetaMask wallet, in that it pops up on the top right of the screen, whereas the Yoroi wallet kind of opens up like a full little online application. Looks like you can also delegate any ADA you have in here. So I don't have any assets. This is very, very similar to MetaMask. On the left-hand side, you look at the assets that you own, and here is the history of transactions. You have two options. Basically, you can either send ADA or you can receive ADA. Now, what I'm about to do, I'm going to record a separate video on it if you're interested. If you're creating your own NFTs on Cardano, or if you're wanting to test to make sure that the NFTs you're minting are minting properly. For me, I'm about to do a batch minting of NFTs. And to do that, I want to do a test run. So I'm going to actually be putting the Nami wallet into the test mode. And if you want to watch that video, it'll be called Test Mode Nami Wallet.
The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about.